NEEM, a majestic tree native to India, has been revered for centuries in Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine. Its leaves, in particular, are a powerhouse of therapeutic properties. Known for their potent medicinal qualities, neem leaves have been traditionally used to treat a wide range of ailments. Modern science confirms the remarkable benefits of neem for both skin and hair. Neem's unique chemical composition boasts over 140 active compounds, with antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory effects. Neem-based products are gaining traction in the global market, offering a natural alternative to synthetic products laden with chemicals. Neem is a boon for those seeking radiant and healthy skin. Its remarkable properties address a variety of skin concerns, making it a sought-after ingredient in skincare. One of the most well-known benefits of neem for skin is its effectiveness in combating acne. Neem's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties effectively target the underlying causes of acne, helping to clear up breakouts and prevent future occurrences. Regular use of neem can significantly reduce acne severity and promote a clearer complexion. Neem is rich in antioxidants, which protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and fine lines. Neem's antioxidants neutralize these harmful free radicals, helping to maintain skin elasticity and youthful appearance. Neem can help even out skin tone and reduce hyperpigmentation. Neem contains compounds that inhibit melanin production, the pigment responsible for skin color. This helps to fade dark spots and promote a brighter, more even complexion. Neem's antimicrobial properties help prevent infection, while its anti-inflammatory effects soothe irritation and redness. Neem promotes tissue regeneration, speeding up the healing process of minor wounds, cuts, and burns. Just as neem works wonders for the skin, it also offers a plethora of benefits for maintaining healthy and lustrous hair. From combating dandruff and promoting hair growth to strengthening hair strands, neem is a true gift from nature for your hair care routine. Neem's antifungal properties target the root cause of dandruff, often an overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus. Regular use of neem-based hair products or neem leaf rinses can help control dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Preliminary evidence suggests that neem may promote hair growth by stimulating hair follicles. Neem's anti-inflammatory properties create a healthier scalp environment, essential for optimal hair growth. Neem has also been traditionally used as a natural treatment for head lice, offering a safe and effective alternative to harsh chemical treatments. Neem oil strengthens hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends, and adds shine, making hair more manageable and vibrant. Section 4. Harnessing the power of neem. Incorporating neem into your daily routine is easier than you might think. There are various ways to harness the power of this wonder plant, from traditional methods to modern formulations. One of the simplest ways to use neem is to make a neem leaf rinse. Boil a handful of neem leaves in water for about 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and allow it to cool. Use this rinse as a final step after shampooing your hair or as a facial toner. Neem oil, extracted from the seeds of the neem tree, is another versatile option. It has a strong, pungent odor, so it's often diluted with carrier oils like coconut oil before topical application. Neem oil can be applied directly to the skin to treat acne, eczema, and other skin conditions. For hair care, massage diluted neem oil into the scalp to combat dandruff and promote hair growth. Neem powder, made from dried and ground neem leaves, is an excellent ingredient for homemade face masks and hair packs. Mix neem powder with water or other natural ingredients to create a paste. Apply the paste to your face or hair, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off. Section 5. NEEM in the modern world. NEEM, once a well-kept secret of traditional medicine systems, is now gaining recognition in the modern world for its remarkable properties. Scientific research is increasingly validating the traditional uses of NEEM, solidifying its place in the realm of natural remedies. Studies have confirmed NEEM's effectiveness in treating various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, psoriasis, and fungal infections. NEEM's ability to promote wound healing and reduce scarring is also being investigated for potential applications in dermatology. The growing body of scientific evidence supporting NEEM's benefits has led to an increase in the development and marketing of NEEM-based products. Section 6. Embrace the natural goodness of NEEM. NEEM, with its rich history and scientifically backed benefits, offers a natural and holistic approach to enhancing your skin and hair health. Whether you choose to incorporate NEEM into your routine through traditional methods like NEEM leaf rinses or opt for the convenience of commercial products, the key is to be consistent. Regular use of NEEM will yield the most noticeable and long-lasting results. Embrace the natural goodness of NEEM and experience its transformative benefits for yourself.